list of fast-growing fintechs in the region, especially in the geographies China, India, Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Indonesia. This list was prepared after utilizing a triple-U framework, which is be useful, leverage ubiquity, as well as usability. All of these companies rank very high on the triple-U score. There are two. First is that these fintechs did not stop their innovation. They've been continuously reinventing, focusing on newer markets, focusing on newer technology, as well as the newer products. Second would be these fintech companies are looking at collaborative opportunities with the financial service providers as well as the technology players. And one thing good about that is these guys know how to leverage the trust that banks have built or the financial service institutions have built. So that's an interesting area to watch. Three areas. First is they can co-create customer value and improve reach. For that, I would like to cite an example where HDFC Bank of India partnered with a startup which is ToneTag to involve phone-based proximity payments. This is helping the consumer do transactions without actually the hardware device being there. Second would be getting newer revenues, newer streams of revenue. In that, there is a very interesting example of DBS Bank doing a cross-referral arrangement with funding societies and Mula Sense in Singapore, where if there is a smaller player who looks up, who goes to DBS Bank to get a loan, and so for some reason it cannot get, it will refer to Mula Sense and funding societies. And on the other side, if there has been a small time player who's been getting loans from funding societies and Mula Sense and now is looking for a bigger commercial loan, they would refer it to DBS Bank of Singapore. Third thing would be, and it's a little minuscule, but the banks can actually externalize process, and in the process they can mitigate service-related issues. So open bank APIs is one which is gaining traction here. There is a startup called SoCash in Singapore, where if you want to withdraw cash, you essentially do not have to look for an ATM. You can actually go into the bank app, and with the help of SoCash API, you can make any small store around you as a cash point. So right now it's being pilot tested, but it will help banks to externalize their processes and in the meantime save on the service-related issues, something which is not information sensitive but error prone.